hello my loves, Marhaba. Can you see this giant bag? Yeah, okay. So, I need to film this video even though I'm a hot mess and I'm running behind for dinner and all of the things because I need to put this stuff away. I keep like, even like these pants, I literally, because I can't, I try to put stuff when I want to film, I like put it in a corner of my filming room and I'm like, it'll give me the incentive to film and then put it away. There's stuff in here that I've wanted to use, like these pants. So I've literally like come in here, snuck them out, worn them, washed them, and put them back so I will film. I would like to wear everything that's in here and like put everything out and all that good stuff. In order to do that, I have to film this video. So anyways, I'm assuming that those of you that are gonna actually want to watch this are like my people. Like it's not gonna be one of those videos that like get searched and is like one of the only videos or the only video of mine you'll see. So this is the impression you get of me. And if it is, hello, welcome. But anyways, I thought it would be fine to film this as a little bit of a hot mess because we're all friends here. Okay, I signed up for both Dopey or Marathon Weekend virtuals and Princess virtuals in the US. I'm in Canada, so I sent them to a friend who held on to them for me until everything came and then sent it to me. So I'm finally gonna like unbox it all. I literally took it out of the giant box that had like my address and stuff on it, threw it in here without really looking at it. So I want to dig into that with you guys. But then also Brooks sent some really awesome stuff. So the Brooks stuff has been sent to me. The rest of the stuff I paid too much of my own money on. But I want to share all that with you. So I'm gonna jump into both. I'll start with the Brooks stuff quickly. These are the pants that I love. What are you called, pants? What are you called? I do not know. I think these are just their like normal legging situations. They're just their tights. But these are like in this beautiful emerald color. Can you guys see that? I do really well at fashion hauls. I love them. They're super, super comfy. They are really great. I'm in a Disney bound as Ariel in them, which is why I thought also it would be on theme to show you them here. And I'm in Disney bound with this top, which I haven't taken the thing off of yet. This is their relaxed Series Speed women's distance tank. So I feel like these will be really cute. I've got a race next weekend, like a virtual, but I'm in Disney bound in those on the one day. And then on the other day, I think I'm gonna go and wear this Run Happy tank and the pants, which are not in here because I'm actually washing them because I've worn them multiple times. Didn't have time to wash them before this video. They're the shakeout pants from Brooks. I love them. They are really, really good on a run. They're really good, like casually just lounging around. I love them, I love them, I love them. So what I'm gonna wear both of those for is the BMO, I'm not a finisher yet, so we're not wearing the shirt. You guys know that we don't wear the finisher shirt before we finish, even if it's a virtual. So the BMO Vancouver Marathon Weekend, their Run Happy combo, which is giving me Disney vibes because it's like a 2 race on subsequent days type concept. So yeah, I'll do proper pictures on the Instagram and all that kind of good stuff, but I want to show you guys those. And then in this box that my friend sent, my friend Noelle, you guys, a lot of you know Noelle. If you don't, she is costuming drama now here on YouTube and on Instagram. Actually, it has a beautiful costuming channel. You should go check her out. But she also threw in these really beautiful postcards from the Wonderground Gallery in Disneyland last time she was there, pre-pandemic. How gorgeous are these? So I'm gonna have to find a fun place to put these. And yeah, oh, BMO also sent me gloves because they know winter is always coming here in Calgary. I feel like I should have taken them out and put these in an order, but I kind of just want to dig into them. So I'm just going to show you them as they come out. We did 2 race weekends, like I said, so Dopey and then Princess. Dopey, for those of you that don't know, is a 5K, 10K, half and a full on subsequent days. And then for Princess Weekend, I did their challenge, which is the 10K and the half, and then I also added the 5K. So there's all those races that were done. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of don't do Dopey virtually when you live in a cold climate, because then you end up running a marathon on a treadmill, and that is not pleasant or fun for anybody. Okay, I am just gonna dig into these and show you all the goodies. So these are their shirts that we got. So the 10K for Oswald, which is a cute green color. And then this is the hardest earned one, which is the Dopey challenge shirt. And they've got RunDisney on the arm, but none of the last year when I did the marathon, they had all the park like logos on the arm. They still do have all of the sponsors and stuff on the back, which I wonder like how much money the sponsors still put in for a virtual, but I don't know. Somebody might know. If you guys know, let me know. The 5K for Pluto, which reminds me of my friend Kristen. I love this one. I didn't think I would love this color, but it's super, super pretty. 510, so we're still waiting for the half. Should be in here somewhere. I don't know. It'll be in here somewhere. And then this one is the one for Goofy in this beautiful yellow color. Super, super pretty. Where is the half? Oh, this one. And then the half, which is this guy right here. Super cute. And then I also did, with my sister, we did the kids race. And so we got this guy, which I don't know, she might fit into it. She's teeny, she might fit into this shirt. I will not, for sure. What else is in here? Oh, I also did the hot chocolate last year, so got the shirt in the middle for that. Oh, and we did Castaway K, or I did Castaway K. I didn't go anywhere. I just did an extra 5K the week after. And it's a pretty blue long sleeve shirt, which is awesome. Okay, and then Princess. Oh, no, there's also the marathon. I obviously cannot count. You guys, this is a hot mess of a video. This is the one for the marathon with Mickey and Minnie. I'm really glad they added Minnie a few years back. She's adorable, and I love it. So, okay, medals. You've got Dopey and Pluto for the 10K. And then this is the Chippendale medal. This giant one for Castaway K. Like, this is the size of the Dopey medal. It's crazy. And then the marathon, which is not actually my favorite, but there's that. And then this is not. That one is I did another virtual that it's the closer to home virtual. The half marathon, which is nice and big and cute as well. And then the Goofy, which is a spinner. And then 10K for the household. Alrighty, so those were those. And then on Princess, we had Punzi for 10K, and these ones are short sleeve. I love this pink. I don't have anything in that color, which I'm really excited about. And then Belle was for the half. And then Ariel on the 5K. With that purple. Super, super pretty. And then the Fairy Tale Challenge was in green, which I thought was really, really nice. These medals are gorgeous. So you've got Ariel with the little bubbles, and then Rapunzel with her lanterns that move, and then Belle in this gorgeous stained glass, and then Tiana with like kind of glitter in the middle there. So yeah, these are really pretty. I will take some better metal shots. Maybe I've got some hangers I want to put them up on. So jump on to Instagram. I'll probably share those there. But I wanted to share these with you. I also did the kids race for the Princess weekend, but that box never showed up. So they're resending that one. Let me know if you guys ran any of these races, what your upcoming virtuals are, what your predictions on Run Disney for next year are going to be, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, I have lots of Run Disney thoughts, but I'm going to keep this video short and sweet and to the point. So yeah, if you made it to the end, thank you for being here. Points of positivity are some sunny weather, yummy lunch, and what's going to be a movie night with my sister. So I'm going to run off and do that. Thank you guys for being here. I'm going to leave you, but now they're reminding you that life is just way too short to wear boring lipstick. Bye, guys.